you've heated, you've beated. I don't even think that's a word. The hub won't come off. It's stuck on there. You don't want to destroy the knuckle. It's made from aluminum. So we're going to use a forcing screw. Now, you can elect to do the double forcing screw deal and try to pull it out even. But honestly, you just need it to crack loose 90% of the time, every time. So using just one, if you're lazy. So we got the forcing screw, we stuck it through. We've got the little foot that's going to go on the bottom here, and this will push right against our knuckle. And it should crack this bearing loose from the knuckle, hopefully. It typically does. Works 50% of the time, every time. We'll grab an impact here. And we'll crack it a little bit here, then we'll just spin it and crack it up here on the other side. This doesn't just pop it right out. What? It's like nobody's business. Be mindful of your axle. Don't pull it through and let it smash the speed sensor there. So we'll take our little foot off. And then we can just come on over to the other side. If you're so inclined to do so. Or you could just whack her with a hammer at this point, and she would probably come right out, to be honest with you. But I like to give the full demonstration here. And a lot of times on a 5-lug wheel, you know, obviously you don't have two straight across from each other, so sometimes using two it just doesn't work because you don't have two flat spots. This is amazing. No beating, no swearing. Well, I suppose you could still swear, be like, oh, this is effing awesome. Why? Because it is. Look at that. Right here. Take it right off, and now you don't even feel guilty going to church Sunday.